Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you need these cards, a piece of paper and some colors. In this bowl there are colors and in this bowl there are shapes and toys. We'll draw what comes out of the bowls. Let's start. Blue ball. Let's draw. Blue ball, beautiful. If you want, you can write blue ball. Remember that you can pause the video if you need it. Now, pink kite. One pink kite. So good. The next one is green circle. Let's draw. Green circle. My circle is a happy circle. And the last one. Orange heart. So lovely. My heart is a sleepy heart. Well done! Would you like to play again? Now, in this bowl, there are number cards and in this one, food cards. Let's begin. Number 3, an ice cream. It's time to draw. 3 ice creams, that's a lot. Now 6 apples. I'll use a red marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. Fantastic. One more and we finish. Number 2, and cake. Delicious. 2 beautiful cakes. Excellent job. Thank you so much for playing with me. See you in the next video.